Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pixel art NFT for free. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to use an website called Pixel Art. This is the free pixel creating website. So you can use this to create a pixel art. So go to pixelart.com and click on Start Drawing. You can also create account if you want, but I'm not going to do that. Click on Start Drawing over here, or you can also click on here. And it will ask what is a blank canvas size. You can create either by typing here, or you can also see the canvas presets in the bottom. You can see the 16 by 16 pixel canvas, 32 by 32, 64 by 64, and so on. You can also have drawing bases if you want. You can use, for example, if you want to have CAD drawing bases, you can use this. And you can see many different drawing bases. So I'm gonna stick with blank canvas and I'm gonna select 64 by 64. You can also convert already created your art into pixel art using this pixel art. For that, you need to go to File and open Photo and select your image and open it. Before that, you need to convert that art into 64 by 64 pixel dimension. This image is 3000 by 3000 pixels. We need to convert that into 64 by 64. For that, we need to go to photopea.com and create a new project and make the width 64 and also the height 64 and click on create. Now drag and drop your art inside this. Now export as JPG. Now go to Pixilart and go to File and open Photo and select your 64 by 64 pixel art and click on OK. This will clear the entire drawing. Click on OK. Now you can use this pencil tool and trace over your image to create this pixel art. So this is the one way of creating a pixel art. Now let's see how to create from scratch. File, new, and I'm gonna stick with 64 by 64 canvas. Let's see the tools over here. So this is the pencil tool. So you can draw with this pencil tool. You can draw like this using the pencil tool. And this is the eraser tool. You can select this and you can erase using this eraser tool. You can also reduce the strength and also you can adjust the pixel of this eraser tool. You can also adjust the pixel of this pencil tool. For example, now it's have 1 pixel. If you increase to 10, you can see pencil size is getting bigger, and also same goes to eraser tool. You can also increase the pixel size. Also, you can change the strength of this eraser. For example, you can see I reduce the strength to 0.2 and you can see the eraser strength is reduced and it will have some opaque. So next is the brush tool, and it is same like the pencil tool but with some effects. You can also change the brush type over here. You can use this brush tool for painting and pencil tool for outlines. You can also adjust spacing. You can also adjust the alpha. You can also adjust the brush size like we did for pencil tool and eraser tool. Next is the line tool. You can use this line tool to draw a straight line or diagonal lines, etc. Next is the square tool. You can create a square using this tool. Next is the circle tool. You can create a circle using this tool. And next is the bucket fill tool. You can use this as a color fill. So the primary color is black. So if we click on here, it is filled with the black color. So we need to change this color to something like blue or yellow, and click inside, it will fill it with yellow color. Next is a color picker, which can be used to pick colors. If you have reference image behind this, for example, I'm gonna import the reference image and choose the color picker and select the color, and you can see the primary colors it's changed. You can also see the color is changing. So like that, we can use this color picker to pick the color from the reference image. Next is the move tool. For example, if you created this circle and you need to move this to the left, you can use this move tool and you can move this to the left, or you can also move this to the right, top and bottom. Also, you can align it to the top like this and align it to the center like this. Next is the selection tool. If you draw some circle over here and use the selection tool and select this, and you can copy the selection and Ctrl+V to paste. Select the art and you can copy paste it. You can also cut and paste. Next is the text tool. You can use this to add some text inside your canvas. Next is the lighten and darken tool, which can be used for adding shadows and highlights. Let's see. Fill it with bucket fill tool and select the lighten and darken tool. If you tick the lighter, it will make it lighter. So it will add highlights. If you uncheck it, it will make it darker. And next one is the dither tool. So dither tool will be like this. It will add dithering effect. And next one is the stamp tool. We can choose from the stamp gallery. For example, I'm gonna choose this bone, and you can see the bone is added to your canvas. Next one is a spray paint tool, similar to the brush tool, but with the spray paint effect. Let's see. Change the color. And next is the gradient tool. You can use this as a background to add some gradient in the background, or else you can also use this for your art. Next is the hand tool. If you zoom in, you can use this hand tool to move around your image. To zoom in, you can use the mouse scroller up and down. Next is the filter tool. You can see many filters over here. You can see blur, grayscale, sepia, invert, contrast, and brightness. You can use these filters for your art. And crop tool to resize your drawing canvas. You can resize if you want. Then this is the layer. You can add layers and move the layers up and down. And you can change the layer name if you want. You can delete the layer, duplicate the layer, and you can also merge layers and merge layer down. This is the merge layer up and this is the merge layer down. You can use this color codes if you want. You can click on it and it will change over here. So let's create some art using this pixel art. Go to file and clear. To clear the image, I'm going to create a new 64 by 64. So now I'm going to draw a cat. You need to create a new layer. So click on this to create a new layer and click on this to layer properties and change the layer name to face. And select the circle tool. And if you want to draw a perfect circle, to maintain aspect ratio, you need to press shift and draw a circle. If you draw with shift, you will get a perfect circle. Now I'm not going to do that. I'm gonna draw circle like this and I'm gonna make it to the center. So click on move tool and align to the center, and I'm gonna move this little bit to down. Then I'm gonna draw the cat's ear Now select the pencil tool to draw the cat's ear. So now we need to draw the ear on the opposite side, which is the right side. Instead of drawing a separate ear, we can use this select tool, select this ear, and copy and paste. Now move this and flip this to vertical and align it. It is perfectly aligned. Now we added the ear. Now I'm going to draw the eyes. You can use circle tool or else you can use pencil tool. I'm gonna choose circle tool and draw the eye. Before that, I'm gonna place the eye in the separate layer. So click on add layer and draw the eye in the separate layer. And you can duplicate this eye layer and use move tool and move to duplicate the second eye. I'm going to select the white color and add some highlights. Now I'm going to draw the nose and mouth. Before that, we need to merge this both eye layers. Select this layer and merge down and change the layer's properties to eyes. Create a new layer and add your nose. And again, create a new layer and add your mouth. For that, I'm going to move the nose layer a little bit up. Select the mouth layer and add a mouth. And change the layer's name. And also in the face layer, I'm going to add the body. So we just created the base image and now we need to add colors. Before that, I'm going to duplicate all these layers. Duplicated face once, duplicate the eyes, duplicate nose, and duplicate the mouth. And move all these duplicated to the top. Now hide all the duplicated layers. Select the face layer and fill it with some colors. Using the bucket fill tool, we can fill this. And also select the eye layer and fill that color. So we just created one color cat, and now go to the next duplicated, unhide all this and hide all the below ones. Now color it with different colors. Select the bucket fill tool, select the face, select the eye, like this. You can see we can create many more color cats. So right now we just created 2 NFTs, and you can also add some highlights to this image. So you can also use some blushes to the cat. So I'm going to change the color to dark pink and select the face layer. And add some blushes, and also you can add whiskers. You can add shadows and highlights using lighten and darken tool. To add highlights, click on lighter and add highlights. So we just created 2 different color cats, and also you can change nose. For example, you can duplicate this nose layer and type in as nose 1 and type this as nose 2. Select the nose 1 layer and I'm gonna erase this, hide the nose 2. I'm gonna erase this and this one type of nose and hide nose 1 and hide nose 2. Okay, I didn't draw the mouth on the separate layer, so there's some fault. That's okay. But add some. So this is the nose 2 and this is the nose 1. We can see you can make this as one NFT and this as second NFT and this one as the another NFT. You can add whiskers and the same blushes with the different colors. And you can also add accessories to this cat. Add a new layer and click on stamp tool and you can add accessories. You can add hat and scale it and place it over here. So this is one accessory and add another layer. Hide this hat accessory. Stamp tool. So this is one accessories. You can create one NFT like this and another one like this. So like that, we can create more NFTs using this pixelart.com. Also, you can add many accessories, like you can add a new layer and you can also draw accessories, like you can draw tie if you want. Like that, you can create different NFT by changing colors, adding accessories, changing eyes shape, mouth shape, and adding different features to your character and export it as a separate image. For example, consider this as a one NFT and go to file and exports/download and click on download.png. Next, make this as another NFT. Go to file, export, download png and make this as another NFT. So like that, we can create many NFT pixel art using this pixel art website. So I forgot to tell that we can also add background. So you can also add background. So duplicate multiple times and you can add background like solid colors, or you can also add pattern, or you can also add gradient background. For that, you need to add some secondary colors. So like that, you can add different backgrounds to your NFT. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.